Hello, my name is Jose Carlos Arroyo Sosa. I am an industrial engineering student, and today I will answer the question from the Spatial Difference Program Guide. Question 1. How can sampling methods improve the analysis of urban mobility problems in cities like Bogota? They allow for studying travel patterns using out for variant of citizens. Representative samples identify peak or congested routes and transportation need if different areas optimizing research resources. Question 2. What are the advantages of using confidence intervals when evaluating public transportation in systems? They quantify the uncertainty in measurements, e.g., every travel time user satisfaction. This allows for informed decisions about infrastructure investment, knowing the margin of error in estimates. Question 2. Describe a real-world scenario where statistical inference could lead to better environmental or mobility policies. Transmillennial cost uh, trans, Transmillennium case study using air case study using air quality sampling at station and analyzing travel times is possible to infer which coordinates require electric use as a priority statistical. Inference from user data allows for projecting future demand and designing where to expand the system or implement cycle paths. Optimization public budgets. Thank you.